So we've got our jetter over here, and we're trying to get this thing cleared out so we can at least see what's going on and then camera it and determine how we need to fix it. This one's it's a pretty bad sewer. It's in really bad condition. We just don't have a good way of seeing it or being able to even get in with our camera head to try to locate it. So let's kind of take a look at what's going on here. So we got our Hydrojet. That's currently on. The hose, here's our jetter hose coming around. Oh, looks like my lens is a little dirty. Or just out of focus. So we grabbed on to our access to the sewer is under the mobile home. So we use this connector to kind of work as access to get into it. And then there's our camera reel and head. So we'll get that in there and kind of determine what's going on and how we need to proceed with fixing the sewer main. So this main, it drops down, and then a lot of these other trailers tie onto it, and it goes out towards the alley further down that way. So right now we're doing a video inspection of the sewer. Got our man Wesley here. Boop, boop, boop. See a really good picture. This is clay tile sewer.
Where all the roots were.
Yeah, that's root buildup. That was actually a much larger root ball that we cleared out with our jetter.
I actually have a picture of that on here.
So you can actually see there's a section where there's a pretty substantial crack. So that root ball looked like that before we jetted it. So that's like 80% plugged. Now it's completely clear.
We got more though that I have to get eyes on.
So we jetted it. Now we're going down and performing a sewer inspection or a camera inspection to make sure everything looks good, and then pinpoint where problems are that we find. Again, that's still clay tile drainage.
Had real big ones too.
Yep.
You can see the separation in the hub too. What happens over time? I mean, ground settles, and it separates.
All right, well, this is Lawrence, DeHart Plumbing, Heating and Cooling. We're out here rocking and rolling. You guys have a great day.
Because all this is, I mean,